Hi, everybody. If you are watching this video, it is because you are part of the Legacy Collective, and this is a quick video on how to use a Canva link that has been sent to you. So if you are wanting to use the Canva links that we have created for this upcoming Thanksgiving, Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, and Cyber Monday, you need to watch this video first. Please hear me. Please hear me when I say you have to watch this video first, because we are giving you a link into a document that we are all trying to use. And if we do not follow the correct steps, we will mess each other's documents up, and you will be frustrated and confused and not able to actually use this template that we have created in the way that we have intended it. So my name is Natalie. If you don't know me, I am part of this amazing team, and we are going to show you now what we're doing. So in Canva, you need to have Canva downloaded. You need to be on a computer is where this is going to be the easiest. I'm going to show you how to do it on a computer. So Canva on a computer. Now, you will have a link. So after watching this video, there are some links to different templates. These are templates that Melissa and I created for you to use for your stories for the upcoming holiday. So what's going to happen is you're going to click on the link. When you click on the link, you are going to see this. Let me share my screen. You're going to see this pop up. You're going to see a thing that says Happy Thanksgiving. You're going to see My Beautiful Family. You're going to scroll down. You're going to see this is a second slide for this story. And here's the third slide for this story. And then you're going to see another option. This is the B option, 1, 2, 3, and another option, the C option, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is the main template. You can see it's the main template because you can see how many people are utilizing this by looking here at the top of the screen. Now, we do not want you to edit this. Please do not mess with this. This is our template for everyone. What you're going to do is head over to the left and you'll see a spot that says File. Click File. As you scroll down, you will see Make a Copy. When you click Make a Copy, it will actually open in another tab. You will know it's a copy because it will say Copy of Happy Thanksgiving. And notice, I am the only one in here. So if you have a spot that says Copy of Happy Thanksgiving and only your picture or initial, you are in the right spot. You are allowed to edit now. So you might think, okay, I'm here and I'm trying to edit, but it's not letting me edit anything. If you look at the top of each individual photo, there is a spot here that has a lock. If you click the lock once, you will see the pencil disappear. And if you click lock the second time, it will unlock this image. Now notice all the other images are still locked. So what I would highly recommend you do is unlock the one that you're working on. So then maybe you click on the picture, you need to delete the picture, you want to put a different picture in there. So you go find a different picture and you stick it in, or whatever it is that you want to do. You're going to mess with it. When you're done messing with it, you're going to lock it back up so that it will not get messed up. So that is what you're going to do. You're going to unlock, and you're only going to unlock and edit when it is copy of and your initial. Does this make sense? I hope it does. Then, of course, there's all the amazing things you can do within Canva, different photos. You can change text colors. You can change fonts. You can change all the different things by clicking on them, but you have to make sure you unlock, and you need to make sure you are in your own copy of the template. I hope this makes sense. I hope this is helpful. And all of the links will be here below this video for you to use for the next week. All right, friends, have a good day.